Is that you? Knife heads. How's it going? You see, I'm in it to win it. Got my GR Knives and Outdoor slip. Can you take a guess what that is? This is my Hump Day pocket dump. It's Hump Day, and I was feeling a little classy, just a tidbit classy, so I'm going to start this out. JR Knives and Outdoors, GR Knives and Outdoors, hit him up. It is carrying my, you guessed it, Case Barlow. No gaps. Delrin handles. Got that spear point. 8 dot 1972. Now look at that, boys. That's a good looking knife. All it has on it's my fingerprints. Huh? Classy? Listen to this half stop. Woo! That's in there. Let me sit that out the way. We got 2 knives in here. This is also a GR Knives and Outdoors pocket organizer. I'll start with this one first. It's that blue laminate micarta with that Warncliffe. .2024 diamond shield, single blade, half stops, .10107W. If you wanna try to get you one. I reckon these knives are pretty hot right now. Then in the other pocket, you see I carry 2 knives in here. Hey, 865 knives. What do you think about that? I know you've been into these Bearhead rail splitters. I've always called these a rail splitter. I've always called it the baby rail splitters. That's what I've called it. And this is the look, straight down Broadway, both blades. There's the tang stamp. 40 to 64. 40 to 64. This is a 5/7 16 and a half. The baby rail splitter. That's me. Other people calls them different stuff. But look at that. Look at that red bone. Look at it glister. Oh yes. Help me, Lord. Woo! Gotta get the Ric Flair out for something like this. Come on. That's a bear head. Red bone. 1940 through 64. I thought he did a jam up job on this. Last one. This is my last pocket knife I got on me. It's that rosewood trapper. Stainless steel knife. 1997. 1997. It's hard to see the dots down in there, but they're there. You gotta turn it the right way. Brass pins, brass liners. Hoss cat. 6254. Oh no, this one ain't a 6. 7254. I guess the 7 stands for wood. The bone is 6254. But that's the knives I have on me today. I ain't going to bore you guys with my wallet and all that stuff. So, y'all, always remember, Big E loves yous. And if yous ain't hit that classy button, hit that classy button. I'm on the road, son. I am on the road. Help a brother out. Hit that like button. Hit that comments. Hit them comments, rather. Hit that share button. And let's go. Let's get it, guys. Don't be scared. Stay classy. You hear?